Today, we'll use Silatus DeepDoc to generate a best-in-class blog post. DeepDoc leverages the latest state-of-the-art AI models, which at the time of this recording are Claude 3 Opus and GPT-4 Omni, to thoroughly and securely analyze every word and every sentence of the documents you choose. Unlike most new AI tools and services, DeepDoc takes no shortcuts, giving you the best result possible for your articles, speeches, blog posts, and other content. First, we'll go to our files. Then, we'll create a new folder. We'll name this folder Privacy, but you can name it anything you want. Click Create. And then we're in our new folder. Next, we'll click Upload Files. Here, we have the option to choose from 5 different sources: our local computer, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or Box. For this example, we'll choose our local computer. Then, for this example, we'll select 3 files that we want to upload and include in our document. Once we've selected the files, we'll click Upload, wait a few seconds, and we'll see our files populate in the folder we created. We can then select those files and take any action on them that we want by clicking Generate Document. In this example, we'll ask the AI to create a new blog post from some old blog posts that we already created. We'll make sure to select Use DeepDoc to get the best results possible, and then we'll click Create. The document will begin generating right in front of us. It only takes a few moments to generate your document. And that's it. You can now export your document, edit it right in place, take more action on it, generate more documents from it, conduct external research, you name it. Right now, you can visit silatus.com to try it for free.